Hello viewers, you are watching watching.tk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio Classic data bank watch, also known as calculator watch. It's a Casio Classic design, classic model, and one of the signature watch of Casio that comes with the calculator function on the dial. So this is the close-up of the dial. As you can see, Casio data bank, 10-year battery, and also on the dial you can see the date, the time, and also this panel is for calculator. So it's a digital watch. This is a close-up of the dial, and from the side, as you can see, there are two buttons on the left and two on the right, and this is a chain. And you need to pull it up to open the buckle. So this is the back side of the dial. The back side of the dial is also in stainless steel. And Casio Japan, it comes with 25 tele memo and also 10-year battery life. And the model of this watch is DBC-32D-1A. This is the model number, and also 2888. 2888 is the user guide number of this watch, the manual that will come with this watch. So viewers, it's a pretty attractive watch and a unique watch in a way that there's a calculator option on the dial, so you can do the basic calculation on the go, and the two buttons on the left and two buttons on the right. So this button, the bottom one, you can use this button to check all the digital function. This one is tele memo, and the calculator function, alarm, stopwatch, dual time, and this is the time. So these are the functions available in this watch. And also this is a illuminator function, the right button, the top one, and the light is yellow. So viewers, with this, the button on the left, so the tele memo function, calculator function. So this is a calculator function. So basically you can do the basic calculation here. Example 88 and multiply 9. So equal 792. So viewers, you can see that multiply, minus, plus, divide, these functions are available. So with this calculator function, basically you can do the basic calculation on the go. 99 divided by 9 equal to 11. So it's a very handy calculator available in this watch. And also the alarm, you can set the alarm, the stopwatch. With this button, the one on the right bottom, the stopwatch will start, and when you will press it again, it will pause, and with this button, it will reset. So viewers, you will get the booklet with this watch, and all the digital functions are explained in detail in the booklet. So if you're looking for retro Casio watches, this is the best watch. This watch also known as a watch for geeks. So viewers, we will try this watch on the wrist, And also we will check the diameter of this watch and the weight, and also we will let you know that from where you can order this watch. So let's try this watch on the wrist first. So viewers, this is how it looks on the wrist. It's a pretty unique design, digital watch with calculator function on the dial, and it's lightweight, it's not that heavy, although it's in chain. And the dial is also very clear. You can see the time and date. So we will check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, the weight of this watch is approximately 62.2 gram. 62.2 gram is the total weight of this watch, so it's not heavyweight, although it's in chain, but the weight is 62.2 gram. So viewers, now we'll check the diameter of the dial in millimeter. So here's the diameter is around 51 mm. 51 mm is the diameter. And the thickness of this watch will vary, as you can see from here. The top portion, top part is 12.7. If you go to the bottom part, it's 7.2. So viewers, you can order this data bank watch, calculator watch of Casio in Pakistan from our online store watchindia.tk. Cash on delivery is available within Pakistan. You will receive your order within 3 to 5 days. And international customers can click on the link in the description to order this watch. And also you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 031022333484 for pricing and more information of DBC-32D Casio digital wristwatch. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we post Casio watches reviews, Casio vintage watches reviews on our channel time to time. And viewers, if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.